Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. And boy, do we have a video today. We are going to be talking about one of my favorite stocks out there, the one, the only Google. I'm going to be giving you guys my honest opinion about this stock and this company. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading or trading and investing in the market, I just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategy, my mindset, all that good stuff. I'll put it down below. Check it out. But all right, what has been going on with Google? Well, this past year, Google has seen an amazing growth. And the reason why is because there's been so much money pumped into artificial intelligence, AI technology. You know, this is why we've seen companies like NVIDIA up 200%, companies like AMD up over 100%, and with Google being up, well over 100% this year, which is crazy. But one of the things here, why we've seen so much growth is because artificial intelligence has been rated one of the best sectors to invest in. The average analyst is giving an average growth rate per year at 37%. So it makes sense why we've seen so much money getting pumped into AI and technology. But on Google's last earnings report, they had mixed emotions. They had a mixed earnings. They did beat expectations on the revenue and a variety of other very, very important fundamentals. But one of the key investments for Google is Google's cloud computing. And they didn't do very well. They actually fell below Wall Street's expectations, and we did get a decent amount of sell-off from Google. But something that's super important was released today, and this was given kind of a little update on Google's AI and chat program. It's called, I believe, Gemini. Now, what they pretty much came out and said is it did awesome. It did very, very well, and it did outperform ChatGPT's 3.5. Now, the issue with this is people did ask about ChatGPT 4, which is like the premium version of ChatGPT. It's like the most updated pretty much program for ChatGPT, and they kind of dodged questions. So this kind of let a decent amount of investors to actually get a little nervous about that, and we did get a little bit of some sell-off today in Google. Now, what does this mean for investors? Does this mean sell-off? Does just buying opportunity? What does this mean? Well, anytime you have a company kind of dodging questions, it's not the greatest, I get it. But you have to admit that them outperforming the 3.5 version is still something to take home. That's still something, that is awesome for Google. The great thing about this is Google is planning on using their Gemini for Google's cloud computing, kind of like as an upgraded service. So with Google actually missing revenue, this could be a great thing for their customers to bring in more money, and we could see a lot more revenue going to Google. So for me to answer that question that I'm sure you clicked on this video is Google stock a buy? Is Google a buy? For me, I've been investing into Google for years now. I definitely think Google carries a ton of potential. Obviously, though, this thing's a growth stock. It's not like investing into like Coca-Cola or, a value company. This thing's going to be riskier. It's going to be more volatile. But overall, these higher risk, higher reward plays, in my opinion, you just have to go into it with knowing that. If you go into Google thinking that this is just going to be an easy way to just sit back, relax, and, retire in 2 years. No, Google doesn't pay a dividend. All the profits they get, they reinvest to grow the company larger. They hold hundreds of billions of dollars in cash. And I just think that looking back in 2 to 5 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought more in Google. Google definitely has paved the way for technology and software. So I definitely think that right now, ChatGPT or GBT, I believe is the company, the 4 version, yes, right now it could be better. But in the long run, Google is going to either buy them out or they're gonna just blow them out of the water. They have more funding, they have more money. I understand ChatGPT is kind of that leader right now, but I'm telling you, Google isn't far behind. And that's one thing you have to understand is these massive companies, even like Meta, even like NVIDIA and all these other AI stocks, they have the money to pretty much blow out a company like ChatGPT or acquire ChatGPT. So this is why we've seen companies like Microsoft actually invest into ChatGPT because, yeah. But anyways, guys, in my opinion, Google is a buy. They bring in a ton of money. You just have to understand it's a higher risk, higher reward play. On top of that, guys, this is all just my opinion. So do your own research before you guys invest. But I'm buying it. I'm buying it. I've been buying it, and yeah. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. This is just kind of an updated video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. And then, guys, I know I shaved, but my computer's all messed up too, so I hope we can do the live stream tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. Take care.